This is Ed Herzog, and today I want to show you Crello. Crello is a graphic design tool very similar to Canva that was just released today on AppSumo for $49 for a lifetime license. I'm also going to be holding a giveaway for Crello, so I'm going to be giving away one lifetime license to one lucky winner. So if you're interested in entering my contest, I'll put the information on how to enter it in the video description below. So that being said, I'm going to switch over now and take you through a quick demo of everything that you get with Crello and with the AppSumo lifetime deal on Crello. So here I am in my Crello dashboard, and you can see there are a lot of different design types you can choose from. So they've got some popular templates here, but as you scroll down, you see you've got fits all social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, other social media, online marketing, social media ads, ad banners, print, documents, printouts, web, personal, and then video and animation. And if you want, if none of those fit what you're looking for, if none of these custom sizes or pre-designed sizes fit for you, you can set your own dimensions right there. So let's go ahead and play around and see what we can do with this tool. So let's just do a Facebook post. So I'll click on that and we'll play around with a Facebook post. So let me give you a quick overview of what you can do with Crello. So first of all, if you like to create your own designs, if you like to start from scratch, you have that option. I don't know if you can see this very well, but there's a blank canvas right there, and you can drag in whatever elements you want over here onto the blank canvas. But if you're like me, if you're not a professional designer, if you'd like to start with a template that's already been professionally designed, you have that option in Canva, and you've got tons of options here, and they, in my opinion, they look like really, really nice designs. I'm just going to scroll down here a little bit here. As you can see, just hundreds and hundreds of options to choose from. Of course, if you don't want to scroll all the way down through all of those, you can search the templates, and if I click on that to say you have access to 25,000 plus premium templates, you can also click here on all categories. If you want to find templates that are within a particular category, they do have them sorted by category. So you have that option. But let's just go ahead and play with this very first one and see what we can do with this. Wait for that to load up. And there it is. So let's first take a look at text. So one thing I really like about Crello is it's very easy to use. So I clicked on this here and I get these options right here that pop up. And if I want to change the text, I could search for fonts, or I could just scroll down here. I don't know, let's use that one there. And now I have a different font. And we can come back over here. We could make it smaller, for example. Make it 60 weight. Make it all caps. I could center it within this box here. So center it there. Give it a little more distance between the letters. In distance. Oops. There we go. And then, I can move this around and put it wherever I want. And one thing, and again, I don't know how well you'll be able to see this, but there are grid lines or guidelines that pop up as I'm moving this around to show me, to help me align the elements properly within my design. So, of course, something you really want, right? You don't want things to be misaligned. You want them to be aligned properly. And Crello does have that tool, which a lot of these do right there. You might be able to see one coming right down between the T and the A in distance, showing me where to align this right here. And I'm not trying to create anything pretty. I'm just playing around with this to show you what you can do with it. I'm going to click there again. I can change the color, so let's go with that there. And one thing I like about Crello is, once I pick this color here, one of these presets, it gives me other shades, other similar colors that I may want to consider in my design. So I might say, hey, okay, that was nice, but maybe I actually prefer this one over here. And I can quickly switch to that one. And if I want, I can make this transparent or more transparent. So now you can see that's more transparent. I also have options for animation. So I've got here, I can zoom it, I can move it in, or I can dissolve it. So I've got options for animation for the various elements on my page. So that's what I can do with text. Now coming over here, I've got this little box here. So I can, I can make that bigger, make it taller now. I can change the color. So I can go with that color instead. Again, I can change transparency. I can flip it horizontally, flip it vertically, or I can animate it. Again, I've got the same thing, zoom, move in, or dissolve. Coming over here to this photo, I've got options for various filters. So I come over here, and this looks kind of retro to me, so I'll click on retro. Wait for a second here, and that should, there we go. So now it's, now it's a retro. I'm not sure that fits my definition of retro, but maybe I don't know what retro is. Let's see. And, but you can also play with these individual if you want. If you don't want to use one of these presets, you do have a lot of different options here for changing how that photo looks. You can crop it differently. Again, you can change transparency, flip it, and animate it. So you have all those options. You also have options here for, you can layer it. So, again, and this is similar to Canva, you can bring things forward, bring them back. So, depending on how you want to layer elements, you have that option. You can lock elements, so then, once it's locked, you can't move it around. You can duplicate things. So now I've got distance twice. Go ahead and delete one of those. So you've got all those different options for playing around with these elements here within your template. Now coming over here, just take a look at some of the things, some of the elements that they provide for you for creating your design. So they've got a bunch of different, or I shouldn't say a bunch of different. They've got tons of photos you can choose from here. It says 500,000 plus premium photos for free. You got videos. Access to 10,000 plus premium videos, animations, 5,000 plus animated objects. Then here you've got different objects themselves. So you've got badges, shapes, illustrations, stickers, lines, masks, and frames. Here on background, you've got photo backgrounds, pattern backgrounds, and color backgrounds. You've got different texts you can put in. And then finally, you can upload your own images and videos and put them into folders. So that is basically what Canva can, or I'm sorry, Canva, I always think about Canva, what Crello can do. Again, it's very similar to Canva, which is why I have them connected in my mind. But this is clearly a very nice tool, very easy to use tool. It has a lot of great features, a lot of powerful features. As I mentioned, right now you can get it on AppSumo, but you can also enter my giveaway and get potentially win Crello for free. So let's take a look at the AppSumo deal on Crello. As I already mentioned, it's $49 for a one-time purchase. It gives you lifetime access to the Crello Pro plan. It also gives you all future updates on that particular plan. Of course, you can also enter my giveaway, enter my contest, and perhaps win a free lifetime license to the Crello Pro plan. Now, what you get with this plan is you get 30,000 graphic and animated templates, get instant access to millions of free photos, you can upload your own fonts and images, you get 500,000 plus premium images, 32,000 videos and animations or upload your own, and you can create teams to collaborate on design. So that is what comes with the AppSumo Crello deal. If you have any questions either about Crello, about the AppSumo deal, about my giveaway, please let me know in the comments below. Always love to help people out, always willing to answer questions as best as I can. So that's it. I hope you enter my contest, and best luck to everybody who does, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye. Have a great day.